Hi, today I'm going to talk about satellite motion. Now, satellites are objects that go around a planet or a star. So, the Earth is a satellite of the Sun, the Moon is a satellite of the Earth. Both the Earth and the Moon are natural satellites. There are also artificial or man made satellites, and these are used mostly for communication, like television, telephones, weather, and so on. Now, satellites that take 24 hours to go around the Earth are said to be in geostationary orbit. These are supposed to be in geosynchronous orbit. That is because the period of the satellite around the Earth is the same as the period of rotation of the Earth. The Earth takes 24 hours to do one spin. That is why we have day and night. And so satellites that stay above the same position over the Earth are supposed to be in geostationary orbit. Geosynchronous, those that take the same time as the period of the Earth. Now, the reason why satellites go around the Earth in a circle is because they are held by a centripetal force, and the centripetal force is provided by gravity. And so, if we equate the centripetal force, which is Fc is mv squared over r, by the gravitational force that exists between the satellite and the planet, we end up with this equation: Fc equals Fg, or Fc is mv squared over r, and Fg is gmm by r squared. So we end up with an equation to find the orbital speed of the satellite, which boils down to gm over r. That gives you v squared, and you've got to find the square root of this. Now, this equation tells us that the orbital speed of the satellite does not depend on the mass of the satellite. You see, the little m cancels out on both sides. So the orbital speed only depends on the radius of the satellite. So the radius is the distance the satellite is from the center of mass of the Earth. So if in a question you are given the height of the satellite above the surface of the Earth, in order to find the orbital radius, then you have to add the radius of the Earth plus the height of the satellite above the surface of the Earth. Otherwise, you get the wrong answer. So that's all for today's lesson. And what I'd like you to do is, there are some questions on satellite motion in your pink booklet. As your pink booklet has got some questions on satellite motion, if you could just do these questions, it's quite easy, and that will be really great if you could do that and finish that. Thank you very much. Bye for now, and have a lovely day.